ShockFlo Portable Tire Inflator with full intelligent touch, one key setting to start, more intelligent use. The large LED display shows both real-time pressure value and preset value, convenient to read and observe the tire pressure status. 5 preset modes with auto stop give you smart inflation. No need to worry about overinflating your tire. ShockFlo Portable Air Compressor for car tires comes with 2 different power options: a 7800 mAh Li-ion battery and 12-volt DC. In case of emergency or the lithium battery is dead, it can be switched to DC 12V power supply at any time. Ultra-long power supply line, 3.5 meters long power supply line,